Less than 48 hours, I got over 25,000 views. But I got a second channel. What are y'all trying to tell me? You want me to do hair content over here instead of fitness? Or do you want a little sprinkle? Just asking. Kodiak pancakes. I had to batch some up, so I made some waffles so I can have throughout the week. All right, welcome to the vlog, gorgeous. She is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is she. Hey, she is Tamika and Tamika is me. What? What's going on? Here I have my juicer ready to go. All right. Okay, she's all cleaned up and everything. So I got an orange. I got a cucumber. Okay. And I have some ginger that I need to hurry up and use. So I got a ginger. Get this out. Alright, so I'm so excited that I got my juicer hooked up. Alright, so boom, there we go. Put y'all right here. So I really don't know how much. So I'll just cut them up like this. I have a feeling I'm going to go to the bathroom. I really do. I have a feeling I am. Alright, so then we're going to have this orange. Oh shoot, see? I don't think I have that put up correctly. So we're going to put this like right there. And we're going to peel this. So I had a video of me doing this, but I was using like this other juicer that my daughter got me. I don't know where she got it from, but the juice was running out and I ended up wasting quite a few oranges behind it. So now that I got this one washed up and I finally put it together, now we can just go ahead and just do the thing. All right, now I don't know how this is going to taste. Good. Ooh, hands cold. All right. Okay. I don't know how you turn it on. Okay. It don't work. I did all this and it's not working. Oh. It don't work. No. Hold on. Okay, so I got it together now. All right. We're working in business. So far, this is what I got. Let me do this real quick. So I got my glass. Alright, now that I stirred everything up, it does taste pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and finish the rest. I still got some more. down, pour the rest in here. Ooh. Mmm. Oh, that's good. Woo! Ooh, that's a lot of ginger. I didn't think that was gonna be a lot. All right, so I'm gonna add some lime. So, yay! My first juice. Get into it. Okay, so for my meal prep, I'm having chicken. I just cut it. So you see how like tender that is? Like boom, boom, boom. It's very tender. So I think it's done. All right. So my husband taught me this. So what he taught me to do was to keep the chicken from, you know, drying out. Put it in aluminum foil, add your water, add seasoning to it, and then cover it up. And that's what I did. I put it on a pan, I put it on low, and I just let it do its thing and let the steam, you know, make sure it's tender and stuff. I did add some soy sauce. I added some cooking wine here. So this is the dry white wine. So keep in mind that, you know, my husband really doesn't care for this type of stuff on his chicken. So this is for me. So I get to make it how I want to make it. Like I said before in my other video, in my other vlog, it's easy for me to cook for myself than for him because he has finicky taste buds and stuff like that. So I do greatly appreciate everyone's input and how my story was relatable to everyone. Okay, so the seasonings that I had added was accent. I added this sazon. I didn't add the other one that he likes, so he doesn't really care for this one that much. I added onion powder, garlic powder, and I added some paprika. Yes. So, shut your mouth, boy. So, that's what I added. He's making some type of fish. I don't know what that is. Yesterday we went to Felton, so it's still it's Monday. So Sunday we went to Felton's. We went and picked up like a bunch of meat, stocked up the freezer. But he having his little fish fillets cut in half. I don't know what type of fish that is. Yeah, it's that kind of fish. You shut up, boy. All right. So yeah, this is what we got. This is what we're working with. London wants some of my chicken, so I'm gonna go ahead and give her some and keep it from there. See, this is another thing that I don't like about putting it in here. You just have to be careful because if you poke holes, it leaks all on the pan. But for the most part, I was able to keep all the juice in there. Alright, so I'm just going to turn this down low, and he's getting on my nerves like he got... Bruh, let me handle this. Hey, boo. Okay, so the green beans are ready. I added some vegetable seasoning and some cooking wine, some accent, onion powder. Chicken is done. The rice is done. I forgot I had it on. Alright, so everything is done pretty much, and bon appetit. Found out this is freshwater fish. feel like my hair broke out again. Yep. Oof. I'm ready to go back natural. I did not have these type of issues when I was natural. I'm this close of cutting off all my hair and going back natural. I cannot believe that this side started tearing up even more. It looks ridiculous. Ooh, scissors. It's scissor time. I'm ready to chop, 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 chop everything off. I'll be back. I don't know where the guards are.
You need to take them.
All right, so today it is 4th of July. It is 7:31 and I am getting ready to go ahead and work out. I'm drinking my green juice that I made earlier in the video. Yeah, update with you guys. So this sports bra I have not been able to wear when I was in that 130 range, 133. Like this bra was too big. It just goes to show you that putting on some weight will help, you know, distribute the fat and all of that. But this is basically what my body looks like now. Um, yeah, I got a little bit of curves again. I've leaned out. So basically, all I did was eat in a calorie deficit and work out. Just like in order for me to gain weight, I had to eat at my maintenance and then eat in a calorie surplus and work out. So it all both goes hand in hand. I don't have a certain number that I want to get to. Um, I'm trying to stay away from the number, honestly. Uh, yeah, so I'm not going to give like a number update at all. If you saw my shorts, you saw that I was 150 in that clip, but you know, it is what it is. Weight fluctuates. Like right now, today, I'm 149. So I can be 150 on Monday. So either way, it doesn't matter. What all that matters right now is just basically how I feel and how I look at my body. And being that I no longer am bloated, the bloating has went away since eating in a calorie deficit. So I'm in one of those mini cuts where I did go below my maintenance a lot lower, around 1300. I would say between 12 to 1300 calories, just to get rid of some of that bloating and everything and lean out more. So now I'm gonna try to work my calories back up to my maintenance, which is around 1600, but I'm not pushing to jump to 1600 right away. I'm just going to slowly take my time to get back up there. But other than that, I don't really want to go down too low, girl, because I'm not trying to lose the little bit of curves that I've created. It was just mainly to lean out this portion of my body. So yeah, what did I have to say to y'all? Okay, so what's up? I put a shorts out about my big chop. Put it on this channel. Less than 48 hours, I got over 25,000 views. But I got a second channel. What are y'all trying to tell me? You want me to do hair content over here instead of fitness? Or do you want a little sprinkle? Just asking. Okay, so I honestly don't want to work out today. This whole week, I forgot to give you an update, okay? The light. Okay, so I forgot to give you guys an update, all right? So the update on this week, I didn't want to work out. Last week, I did such an amazing job working out, and this week, I did not want to do anything. So Thursday, which is the clip that you saw me do, the 133 versus 150, I did work out. So Thursday I worked out, which was July 3rd. Today's July 4th. I'm getting ready to work out. And then tomorrow on the 5th, I'm going to work out. So even though I didn't work out on the days that I wanted to, I just wanted to make sure that I at least get my 3 days of cardio and strength. That is my go-to. That is my jam right now. I don't really like to just do strength training and then do cardio the next day. I'd rather just get both of them done at one time. And I really enjoyed that type of circuit training. So I'm going to be doing more of those, and eventually I'm going to be doing my own videos about that. So yeah, clock back to you.